start rotating the branches. Chased him away. trouble through the overflow? No.
No.
Why are you smoking?
We have enough horsepower.
Lanissa, it looked like you were playing.
Yeah, she was playing more than riding.
Yes, I was playing, and it was a blast.
She was having fun. Lanissa, want to split a beer?
Sure, Cal. You want a beer? I'll split one with you.
Lanissa, were you jumping up on the banks?
Insides of the curve, she was
Glad
jumping.
you didn't follow me up in that little swamp.
Yeah?
Lots of overflow up
Oh,
there.
you're like, ah!
Like, nope, better get out of here.
Nope.
I wasn't going. I thought about it.
Figured you guys are going to come up and pull me out.
Because I was trying to figure out
And that'll be a no.
Who broke through?
I'll go another way.
poker run. Huh?
Did you break through the ice up there?
I didn't break through. Well, it was really slushy in places.
Yeah.
That's just overflow.
And I felt, it felt like, if I got too close to Cathy and I had to slow down, then it felt like it was going through.
She,
Screw, it's like, screw that, I'm going to the right over and give us some gas.
Well, actually, it wasn't even that bad.
No, the only time it was bad.
All I could think of is I don't want Mitch to have to bail me out.
Well, I saw like
You didn't
whoever
get stuck.
rode earlier.
No, she did great.
Jacqueline,
No,
right.
there was a couple of times I almost got sucked over, but
I
I
ain't going
pulled it
that
off.
way.
Good job.
Nobody got stuck today except Mitch.
Huh? Today? I didn't get stuck today.
I thought you got stuck sitting in the corner of that
No,
hill.
you had to help
You were
Cathy
there
through the
for
tree.
45 minutes for some reason.
Huh?
No, he's talking about at the very bottom of the hill you were
We had to
backing
go
up.
out and around you
Because
you're,
you went around the other
your snow
way.
machine.
Oh, that I didn't get stuck there either.
It's all broken down there in the middle
No,
of the
I
trail.
just
He wasn't stuck.
I was doing laps around the up and over the hill going backwards while y'all waiting on you guys, and
Mitch had to help me
No,
through the tree
no.
that got you.
yeah, right where Jack helped you through, I had to help Cathy through.
Because I was like, we're going.
Pull him back.
That-
so he I know.
That typical where you get one ski right up on the damn tree and it won't go.
I didn't get it even that close, but I was trying to turn so I wouldn't. And then
She-
Jack just grabbed it and pulled it right out.
She was like right by the arm, into the tree,
Yeah.
and she was cranked all. The thing is, she was cranked all that way, but there was that other tree on the other side,
Right.
and if she would have went, she would have, so I had to get on that side and pull to straight, not to pull her, but to pull the steer in this
Right.
direction. So when she finally got around,
I couldn't turn my
hey Cathy, Cathy, I got stuck on that tree yesterday, so that's no big, or day, whatever day it was, so it's no big deal, same tree.
At least you didn't get stuck on Kelly's knob.
Well, we got rid of Kelly's knob, so we amputated Kelly's knob, so you don't have to worry about that anymore.